Hello DSPs, this is Bess Cambieri, the creator of Manage My DSP. Today I'm coming with two major updates that we just did. One of them is the SOS function on the driver's app, and the second one is the WorkChat. The WorkChat, which will be available for the drivers, the managers, and the owner. Let's start by explaining what the SOS feature is. As we have seen lately, um, when drivers are out there on some regions, they have only one or half a bar on the phone, and then if they have an emergency, they cannot reach us fast, or we calling them and we cannot hear anything. They have enough bandwidth to do the deliveries with the Flex app, but we cannot call them. So when they are having an emergency, we are trying to call them, but we don't know where they are, what is going on, and we are trying to get to them, but we have no idea where they are. So we created this SOS feature, which we would like the drivers to use it for any emergency that they have. It's very easy. They have an emergency, they're gonna pull the phone out, and all they're gonna do is they are going to click on this SOS button. As soon as they click on this SOS button, they are gonna have here a few options to choose. Van is stuck, a dog bite, van collision, or need other help. So let's just say that we have a van that is stuck somewhere. We want to dispatch a tow truck, or we want to go and see what is going on, but we calling the drivers and we can't hear anything, or he doesn't even know. Maybe we can talk to him, but he doesn't know the address and it doesn't know where to tell us where to go. All he has to do is click on the SOS button, choose Van Stuck, and then click to continue emergency. As soon as he does this, continue emergency, this action right here is going to send a text message to the owner and to every manager out there. And then in our owner's app, we're going to get a notification, but also on the screen, on the Manage My DSP screen, as you guys saw, everything automatically changed and is saying that, hey, the driver, Bess Camberry, has initiated an emergency request. The nature of an emergency is that he is stuck, the date, where, and what time. And also the coolest thing is it's giving us the coordinates of where this driver is, so we can pinpoint exactly where this driver is. We have few options right now. We have can call, click the green button to call the driver, or we could have clicked acknowledge, or we can also click on call emergency services. As you saw over there, this would work great from the app, because the app will give you 911, will give you to call the driver, or you can just acknowledge the thing. Now, because we clicked on the driver, the software is assuming that we are calling, so it cleared the screen. But let's say we don't want to know, we don't know where he is, we want to go back. All we're going to do is go to reports, click on SOS, and we will see the last location. We can click it right here, and here you go. We will be able to see exactly where he is, which it's putting me right now on this circle right here, right? So uh, this is how the SOS button will work. Even if they don't have an emergency, or you just want to know where your driver is, or he's lost or something like that, you can always tell him, pull the app out and click the SOS button. It will send a signal to everyone, and it also will give us their exact location. Then if you want to log these, you can come here, you can add notes and saying, hey, this is not an emergency or something like that, whatever you want to add notes, they will be saved right on the notes section, so you can go later and you can see what kind of emergency it was. Let's go back and talk about WorkChat. Uh, as I have announced before, the WorkChat has been built totally from scratch. It's our WorkChat. It's yours to use. It's included in your plan. It's free to use, and you can. It's the same like having a WhatsApp or having a Slack. But now that Amazon is asking us to get Slack, if we add more than several users, you need to pay. This is free. It's included in your price. So you don't have to pay for nothing. How does the work chat use? You have a button here on the lower left corner, or you have also the work chat menu right here. So let's just click on the work chat and see what this is all about. This is what work chat is. We have all the conversations here that we can uh, use with the drivers. And then we also have the chat rooms. On the chat rooms, and then we have others here, right? So chat room, all, and others. On the all, you will be able to see all the conversations that we are having with different drivers, right? So let's just say we want to write a message to Bess. We're going to click on this blue button on the right hand corner, the pen right here, and we are going to come here and we're going to search Bess, and then we are going to start typing a message. Hello. And then we can also add files or add photos from the phone, and then you can click send, and boom, it's gonna go right in. In the meantime, what do we have? Within the first 60 seconds, we can edit this message, and we can say hi instead of hello. After 60 seconds, this message is here. But let's say that we wanna um, we want to delete a message from a driver who posted on something that we didn't like. We can always come to the group chat, like on the chat room, and click on the dispatch team. Let me find a chat um, that has something, so we can come here to the owner, and you can actually, we cannot ban the owner, but if it was a driver, you'd be able to die. But you can also delete the message. How does the driver know that we send him a message? Well, this is the driver's app, right? So he is going to have a notification when we send him a message. So we just sent this to Bess few minutes ago. So it's saying, hey, the owner is saying hello, right? So we can respond here now, and we can say hello back, right? And it's making a little sound, and now we should be able, it made a sound again that we got a new message, and now it's saying here hello back, right? So you can talk to all the owners, all the drivers, all the managers at all times without having to pay or without having to worry about the SMS charges. How do we create chat rooms? Very easy. Come to the chat room, and on the right side, you're going to have a plus button, and you're going to click create chat room. When you create chat room, you're going to click, give it a name, test, for example, and add. Now, as soon as you create a chat room, it's asking us, who do we want to put on this chat room, right? So we can add whoever we want here. We can click to choose all, add all, or we can just choose a few people and whoever we want, right? And once we click the green button, everybody that we just chose is in this room. So if I send a message right now, everybody on that chat room will receive a message. So you can build as many chat rooms as you want. You can have all the messages here to talk to them, and then you can also talk to the drivers, and the drivers can talk between each other too. They can talk to the manager, they can talk to the owner, they can talk to whoever they need to talk. Um, Let me just show you how the managers and owners app looks, right? This is it right here. This is the work chat messages right there. If you click on it, if you click on the eye, you will be able to see the rules. So what is saying, there are four types of users. It's saying owner, dispatcher, HR, fleet manager. Every user can edit or delete their message within 60 seconds of sending it. Owner is saying has access to all chat room, can send message to in any chat, can delete any message, and can remove or ban any member from a chat room. Also, dispatcher, HR, or fleet manager, which means that anybody who has any additional role can also access and send messages in chat rooms where they are members. Can delete messages, right? Because we, as owners, we cannot be 100% monitoring everything, and also can remove or ban any employees who are misbehaving on the chat. So this is our newest uh, addition. If you want to, by the way, before we do that, I just want to show, if you want to ban somebody, all you have to do is click and hold his name on the, it will work on the, because I'm on a PC right now, and then you will have the 3 points, and once you do that, you will click ban. All the banned users will be here at this red button right here, right? So this is chat, work chat. It's freshly built. It's built from scratch. And if you guys see any other um, if you guys see any other uh, um, features that we forgot to add, please let us know, and we will do that. Thank you, and hope you enjoy our newest features that we just launched.